The topic chosen for this inquiry was negative impacts on the environment in Australia, mainly focusing on the impacts landfill has on the environment, the amount of waste Australians produce, and how different forms of recycling can play a role in environmental sustainability. Google search engine and Google Scholar were used to conduct the research into this problem. The main difficulty was trying to find credible, non-biased websites with current factual information, though government sites and reports were also used to back up facts about Australia's wastage. Three major impacts of landfill include a powerful greenhouse gas called methane, which can trap 20 times more heat into the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. Deforestation is also a leading cause to negative environmental impacts, as to 30 to 300 species can be lost per hectare through the creation of landfill sites, negatively affecting nearby ecosystems and biodiversities. As rain falls on landfill sites, organic and inorganic components dissolve, forming highly toxic chemicals leaching into groundwaters. As an example, mercury from electronic waste is capable of causing physiological and biochemical abnormalities and death in fish, breeding and population stability complications and death in fish-eating birds, and renal failure, toxic hepatitis, and uremia, which is a condition of having urine in the bloodstream or prior to death in sea mammals. Fauna and flora are significantly affected as their homes, their habitats, ecosystems and biodiversities are altered and/or damaged for years to come. Australians produce 45 million tonnes of waste per year. 20 million tonnes, representing 40% of the waste produced, ends up in landfill. Household, commercial and industrial, construction and demolition waste end up in landfill, which leads me to recycling, as it has the ability to conserve raw materials. When it comes to recycling, a number of resources can be valuable and be put to a greater purpose. Resources such as steel and aluminium, building materials, glass, plastic, paper and cardboard, organic materials, and electronic waste such as microwaves, washing machines, televisions, and mobile phones can be recovered, recycled, and reused. Recycling plays a part in environmental sustainability, as it means less production of new resources and less landfill contribution, with ecosystems and biodiversities being left to thrive and flourish. Composting is another great form of recycling things such as fruit and vegetable scraps, paper towel, pencil shavings, nail clippings, animal fur, and feathers are just a small portion of what can be composted. Some benefits of composting include the elimination of unpleasant odors. It has the capability of killing weed seeds and disease-causing organisms due to the high temperatures within the pile. It lowers the incidence of plant root and leaf disease, and it also stimulates the growth of healthy plants, leaving positive effects on soil properties and fertility. Composting is also a great way to reduce landfill while having positive effects on the environment. The graph below shows where I believe my topic can closely relate to Year 7 in the Australian curriculum.